Subscribe to Mind Body Soul and click on the bell icon for more updates.
Do you constantly feel drained in your relationship? Is your partner continuously putting you down rather than uplifting you? If yes, chances are that you are in a toxic relationship. Hi, I'm Shubha, and today I'm going to share a few ways that you can break free from a toxic relationship and also deal with the after effects in a positive and healthy manner. To have the courage to break free from such a destructive relationship, it is necessary to understand the psychology of toxic people. Toxic people thrive on control, and they exercise this kind of obsessive control by oppression and criticism. Toxic people also have a way of choosing kind, generous people with open heart, because these are the ones who are least likely to abandon the relationship. Even the strongest among us can find ourselves in a toxic relationship. But the longer you stay in such a destructive relationship, the more you are likely to become a less confident and more wounded version of the person you used to be. So, if you find that you are in such a destructive relationship, please take heart. You can overcome it. Here are a few ways that will help you. The first way is to self-introspect and ask yourself, what is it that is keeping you in this relationship? Is it love or is it habit? Are you adding any meaning to your life through this relationship? Are you scared and lonely and you feel that this relationship is the only way that you can get attention? But obviously you're looking at the wrong place. Relationships are meant to make us feel complete and not depleted. Secondly, once you have done this self-introspection, it's time to gather the courage and let your partner know that this relationship is over. As far as possible, state in objective terms how this relationship is affecting you rather than blame your partner. Be strong in your conviction, but also be prepared that you may feel drawn back to the relationship by the way your partner responds. He or she may even try to make you feel guilty. But know that you have come to this decision after a lot of soul searching and introspection. Thirdly, after you leave someone, you may start to miss him or her, and that is normal. You may miss the feeling of being desired and wanted and think about all the intimate moments that you have spent together. Instead of being a part of your life, these moments had become your whole life. You had forgotten how to live for yourself. This is the time to reach out to a strong support system. Reach out to your true friends and family who love you and want to help you. If not, then at least reach out and take the help of professional life coach or a counselor. Next, please don't feel that you need to jump into another relationship right away in order to feel worthy. People who have been on a toxic relationship often continue the same pattern in all their future relationships. So, unless you want to continue in this pattern, you really need to work on yourself. Stop looking for someone out there to give your life a meaning. Engage in activities that you love to do or you always wanted to do. Join those dance classes that you always wanted. Learn a new sport. Try some new fun recipe. Do something, do anything. Just get the energy moving. Very soon you will find that you have found your true inner calling that will finally plug the hole in your heart. Getting over the initial phase after leaving someone is the most difficult part. But once you are through this phase, life becomes so much easier. Let this experience make you a stronger and a kinder person. The pain will not last forever. In fact, it's better that you work through the pain rather than try to avoid it, in which case you limit the chances of the pain coming back later to haunt you. Look yourself in the mirror and tell yourself that you'll never ever let anyone treat you so badly again, because you deserve so much better. Finally, having moved on, please don't keep tabs on your ex. Flow with life and don't look back. Let the toxic energy of the past remain in the past. A beautiful future awaits you, full of love and grace. So friends, see you soon on another episode of Soul Talks with Shubha, where we continue this journey of healing and rediscovering ourselves.